Previously on We Wonder, we spent a few days exploring Osaka and its surrounding areas, but today it's time to move on, with our first stop being Himeji Castle, Japan's biggest and possibly most famous castle. It's a sad day because today Nate and I leave Osaka. What did you think of Osaka? We are moving to a new area, but we'll talk about that later. We're starting at Himeji Castle, which is very big, very beautifully preserved castle. But we got a little bit of a trip to get there, so we're gonna start that journey. Don Quixote, Nate bought this new suitcase because his was like falling apart. How is it, Nate?
So much better.
And he can put my duffel bag that I was carrying everywhere, murdering my shoulders. He can just push it on there. I still have to take it when we go on stairs, but oh my God, life just got so much easier. All right, we use coin lockers for the first time, right? I thought we would use these a lot more. My bags are in here, Nate's are down here. So there are coin lockers here at Himeji Station, just so you know. You go out and turn left. So basically the way this works is our stuff's in here, we put coins here to pay for it. We took the key out. You can see this one, these ones down here still has the key, it's not out yet. So that means it's still available. Luckily there were ones available. I tried to use them in Fuji, but they were all way taken. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is go to the JR ticketing center and try to get our Shinkansen ticket and reservation now for when we leave Himeji, because we need a Shinkansen to our next stop. All right, we got our Shinkansen tickets. We leave at 1:37 on the dot. We are walking right now to Himeji Castle. We can see it up there. You see it right from the station. Like as we were walking to the gate, I'm like, whoa, there it is.
5 minutes later.
On our way to the castle, right? And we just saw there's a festival happening. I wish she would have gave us more time. We said send us on the Shinkansen after 2. And she said it for 1:37. And we were like, all right, I guess it's fine. We'll just rush. Now I really don't want to rush. This is awesome, but we decided to go ahead onto the castle for now because then we'll know how much time we have left we can spend here. Also, we're on the JR pass. We don't want to do it, but if we need to, we can purposely miss our train and go book another one. And then just say, oh, we didn't make it back in time. Like, we don't have to pay any extra for that. It sucks because we have reserved seats and I hate to take those from somebody, but we talked to the lady. We told her we wanted to go down to Himeji, like Himeji Castle. Maybe she didn't know the festival's happening too. I don't know why she gave us such a short amount of time. Should I move here? So a few days ago we saw Osaka Castle, right? And that was a castle that had been like rebuilt, like a modern rebuilding of a castle. This is on a whole nother level. I don't know if you'll be able to tell from video or not, but this one has just been preserved since the 17th century. It has not been rebuilt, and it is just way bigger. Like, I don't know if the video will show it. We're still far away and it already looks massive. And then there's these walls, the surrounding areas. I guess we're already in the castle grounds. We're already past the first gate. So it just feels on another level for sure. We have entered the Himeji Castle. It costs 1,000 yen. You could pay more to go see the garden as well. We don't have time for it though. There's the castle up there. The rain's starting to pour. It's gonna be a good day. Due to time constraints, guys, we're only going to the main keep. You can go to the West Bailey as well, which looks awesome, but here's a map of all of it. Looks really cool. We can't do it today. Himeji, we're headed for you. They have a lot of scaffolding around, I guess for some sort of maintenance or preservation reasons. I'm not totally sure. Even with the scaffolding here though, it still is a totally different feel. It's like, it feels very legit. 150-foot deep well right here. They had to put up this little barrier. People like Nate kept jumping in. He already wanted to. Oh, the crow. Oh my God. Dude, I think Itachi's in this castle somewhere. I'm starting to get a little scared.
I think it's kind of wasted.
We reached a no-shoe zone. So if you're planning to come here, bring some shoes that you can easily slip off. We gotta carry them in a bag for the rest of it. What do you see out there?
The world.
Guys, it's a bit too dark for me to really film in here. All my cameras are bad at low light, as I've mentioned billions of times, but the view out the window is pretty beautiful. We have reached the top, huh?
Main bedroom.
You think this is the master bedroom? I don't know. It's the top though. There's some awesome views from the windows if we can get to one of them. We made it through. I don't know if Nate's gonna agree. Going in is cool, but the coolest part is just walking around outside it and getting pictures and seeing the views of it, because inside is just shoulder to shoulder. You can barely move. Everyone trying to look out windows. It was cool to see once at least, but I think just seeing the architecture outside is, for me, was the coolest part.
See, I liked going inside because I liked seeing why they designed certain things the way they did in order to protect the place.
Right.
Do you even know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, we really want to see the festival more, but we really don't have time. We've got about a 20-minute walk back to the station. We gotta grab our bags. I gotta go to the bathroom. We gotta eat a little something. We were talking about just grabbing a little food at the festival, walking through one more time, but then we remembered all the lines for food. There were long lines for all the food we saw. So. Look, by the Shinkansen and Himeji station, they have a whole diorama of Himeji Castle. I was just up in there, top floor. That was me. Next time, Nate and I jump on the train headed to Onomichi, possibly the most beautiful place I've seen in Japan so far, and our base for the next couple of days as we prepare to cycle Shimanami Kaido, only here on We Wonder Japan. Keep wondering.